Hello, this is Callie Raspberry. This video is to show you how to fix your final grade if it is not calculating correctly. If you notice that Q3, Q4, and X1 are not calculating correctly to give you the correct final average, this is how to check your setup to see if something needs to be fixed. So I'm in a second semester class, and I'm going to go to grading, and you can look at all reporting terms, and this is where, now this is office aid, so it's not going to be, regular grades, but if you look at Q3, Q4, and X2, and this grade is not averaging correctly, then this is how you fix that. Okay, so go to Settings, Traditional Grade Calculations, and immediately I notice that F1 is total points, and that is not correct. The rest of these are, but that one is not correct. So if I click on the pencil for actions, I'm going to change total points to term weighting. Notice that Q3 automatically pops up, but we don't want F1 to be 100% just Q3. So we're going to have to go to this plus sign, click it, and when I click term weighting again, notice Q4 automatically pops up, but we want to also include the exam. So when I click, sorry about that, term weighting, X2 automatically pops up, but my weights are still not correct. So this is supposed to be a 2, but the second one should also be a 2. And when I click into the next box, notice it changes it to 40, 40, 20, which is correct. We do want an exact value earned, and I'm going to click Save. Another thing to look for if your grades are not averaging correctly is if there's an alert on one of these, especially X2, if there's like an error and it says like you haven't set up your category, then go to the pencil, pick total points. Even if it's already total points, go ahead and click Save, and that should clear your error. Okay, now that I've fixed my term weights, and actually right here, if you want to look at all of them, you could actually check them from this page here. Notice this one says term weighting, so I figure it's probably correct. I can click on it, look at it, it is correct, click Save, but I can actually look at all my classes from this screen, so that's very helpful. Now I'm going to now that I've changed that and fixed that, that does not automatically fix the average. So now I'm going to have to go back to grading, traditional, and go to make sure this is F1, and I'm going to have to click the gear, recalculate final grades, click recalculate, and now it will be correct. Now it is going to show you the correct average. If you have a question about any of that, please feel free to reach out to me or reach out to your counselor, but I'll be glad to help you any way I can. Thank you.